Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to find starred messages from a group on WhatsApp web using your PC. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly accessing important messages without scrolling through an entire chat. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp web website and scanning the QR code using your phone's WhatsApp app. Once logged in, you'll see all your chats displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, locate and click on the group chat that contains the starred messages you want to view. This will open the group conversation in the main window. Now, look at the top of the screen where the group name is displayed. Click on the group name to open the Contact Info panel. This panel contains various details about the group, including media, links, and documents shared within it. Within this panel, you'll see an option labeled Starred Messages. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a list of all the messages you've previously starred in that specific group chat. These messages are organized for easy access, making it simple to find what you're looking for. And that's it. You've successfully located your starred messages from a group on WhatsApp web. This method is quick and efficient, ensuring you can always revisit important information whenever needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tech tips.